Hello everyone. Let me start by introducing myself. I am Dr. Ashwini Behere. I am a physiotherapist by profession and I specialize in orthopedic manual therapy. I practice near First Railway Gate, Tirakwadi at Behere's Physiotherapy Clinic, which has been established by my mother, Dr. Gayatri Behere, in 1982. Although I specialize in orthopedic manual therapy, I have a keen interest in the field of women's health. Before we start speaking about how exercises will help us, let us first try and understand what changes take place in a woman's body during pregnancy. The uterus size increases, the abdominal muscles are stretched. In fact, towards the end of pregnancy, they are stretched to their elastic limit. Breast size increases, so there is a tendency to have rounded back and forward neck posture. There is a change in the walking pattern as well. Due to these changes, there are certain aches and pains that we experience during the course of pregnancy, like neck pain, headache, tingling and numbness in the hands or carpal tunnel syndrome, pain between the shoulder blades, pain in the lower back, pain in the legs or sciatica, pain in the heel or foot, rib pain or difficulty in breathing, again which is common because of the compression of the diaphragm due to the growing uterus. All these aches and pains can not only be treated but also prevented with exercises. Pregnancy is a wonderful phase in every woman's life, but this phase comes with a lot of random advice from people, and when it comes to exercises, we are often told not to exercise and we are discouraged from exercising. Women are also fearful about exercises. In fact, they are also afraid to do any activity or movements during pregnancy. But exercises are not just safe, they are also recommended during pregnancy, and they are known to have positive effects on the growing fetus as well as the well-being of the mother. Physiotherapy exercises done during pregnancy are categorized as an antenatal exercise program. I'll be talking about its benefits. Firstly, these exercises help in reducing constipation and bloating, a very common problem seen during pregnancy. Secondly, these exercises help to increase the muscle tone and muscle strength, something which is required post-delivery when it comes to handling the baby, lifting, carrying and feeding. Endurance also increases and stamina also increases, something which helps during labor to sustain the labor and to help bear down during delivery. Posture changes and posture correction is done. Flexibility is improved. There is also a certain range of weight that is acceptable, weight gain that is acceptable throughout the pregnancy, and these exercises help us remain in that range. Another important thing is the risk of diabetes decreases with exercises. Developing diabetes in pregnancy decreases with exercises. Another thing is that our chances of having a normal delivery increase. Apart from all this, what I mentioned before, the aches and pains and pubic pain and leg cramps or some other musculoskeletal conditions, all of these can be prevented and treated with exercises. But when it comes to doing these exercises, I strongly recommend that all of you take the consent of your gynecologist and do them only under the supervision of a physiotherapist or any exercise specialist who is specialized in antenatal and postnatal exercises. That is very important because there are certain conditions in which exercises are not supposed to be done or are considered to be risky. Contraindications to exercises or conditions in which exercises are risky or not allowed are low-lying placenta, bleeding in the second or the third trimester, incompetent cervix, preterm labor history or history of miscarriages, pregnancy-induced hypertension or blood pressure, and many other conditions. But please do not approach your physiotherapist only if you have certain aches and pains. Exercise even otherwise, because exercise gives a lot of benefits and we all should be more proactive during pregnancy. So consult your gynecologist, talk to your physiotherapist and start your exercise program, because pregnancy is a physiological state and we all should be treating it as one. I would like to thank Health Pals for giving me this opportunity to reach out to all of you and create awareness about this very important topic which is close to me. Thank you so much.